ladies and gentlemen, we can start with a short introduction. My name is Alois RUF from RUF Automobiles in Germany, one of the smallest car manufacturers in the world. This is my wife Estonia RUF, in charge of marketing in RUF Automobile. We're very proud to announce that this is the first year that we are presenting our products here in Geneva at the Auto Salon. This year is also our 70th anniversary of the existence of the company. And today we want to launch and show you what our latest featured car is here, which is the RUF Greenster. The RUF Greenster is inspired by the idea of the original Targa that was born in the 1960s. And the reason for that was the e-RUF. The e-RUF is the electric vehicle that we have shown as an experimental car last year in October. And a big request from the customers came towards us, and people were wanting to know more about this car, wanted to give orders. And the first question was, it needs to be an open car. Can I have it as an open car? Having said that, and the inspiration that I always wanted to bring that specific safety-featured cabriolet back to life, we brought this together and we said this will be the Greenster, electrically driven and as an open car. The same vehicle is also available with combustion engines, up to 650 horsepower with the well-known RUF turbo engines. This car was now specially prepared and built for the Geneva Salon, and it was done in a record time. It was built in 30 working days, and I would like to introduce Professor Spiegelberg. Professor Gernot Spiegelberg, please step up here. And Professor Spiegelberg is our partner from Siemens Corporate Technology that worked with us in a very close relationship with very little meetings. Everything was working hands-on, and it made it happen. As well as the two gentlemen here that I would like to introduce, they were the ones that were actually building this car. Mr. Fischer, please step up. Mr. Fischer and Mr. Kerler, please. So this was almost like a Le Mans race, an endurance race, and the car made it, and it's here now.
Yes, this is the first step of Siemens to try the connection of an electrified car to the grid, because this car has a drive, the e-drive of Siemens. We have a motor with 270 kilowatt of power included, and we have nearly 950 Newton meter torque, which comes to the rear axle with 1800 Newton meter. I think this should be enough. The car can run nearly about 270 kilometers per hour with this power and can accelerate from 0 to 250 in less than 30 seconds. It can accelerate to 100 kilometers from still standing in less than 5 seconds. We have, additional to this, we have energy inside of the car, which is now made by Gaia in a cooperation with RUF. And Gaia has included lithium-ion batteries with an energy content of nearly 30 kilowatt hours. This is needed for nearly 250 kilometers with this car, but we want to increase this in the next step.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the CTR3. The CTR3 follows the tradition of the CTR, which was known since 1987. It was a speed record car that was performed in northern Germany in 1987, also known as the Yellowbird. And the second version of the CTR came out in 1996. And now in 2007 we showed this car as a study car, and today we can show you the final production version of the CTR3. It's driven by a 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter twin-turbo engine, 700 horsepower, 890 Newton meters. The gearbox is a special design for this car, which is a 6-speed gearbox in a transverse configuration. So that means the gear housings are transverse mounted. Cabin is much lower, so it gives you a more dramatic race car feeling when you sit in the car. Lower side skirts, lower windscreen,